Have you ever accidentally sent a Beam wallet payment to the wrong address? Or perhaps you simply changed your mind about a transaction. If so, you've probably wondered, can I reverse a Beam wallet payment? Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user anonymity and security. While this level of privacy offers numerous benefits, it also presents unique challenges, particularly when it comes to reversing transactions. The core question, can you reverse a Beam wallet payment? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Once a Beam wallet transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it cannot be reversed. This is a fundamental principle of blockchain technology. Transactions are immutable. Why can't Beam wallet payments be reversed? To understand why, let's delve into the nature of blockchain. Decentralization. Blockchain networks are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by a single entity. Instead, they rely on a network of nodes to validate and record transactions. Immutability. Once a transaction is confirmed and added to the blockchain, it becomes part of the permanent record. This immutability ensures the security and transparency of the network. What can you do if you make a mistake? While you can't reverse a transaction directly, there are a few potential strategies to consider. Contact the recipient. If you sent the payment to the wrong address, try to contact the recipient and explain the situation. They may be willing to return the funds. Community support. The Beam community is active and helpful. You can seek advice on forums or social media groups. Future precautions. To prevent accidental payments in the future, double-check addresses before sending funds. Consider using a QR code scanner to minimize human error. While the immutability of blockchain technology can be frustrating in certain situations, it also provides significant benefits in terms of security and transparency. By understanding the limitations of Beam Wallet and taking precautions, you can minimize the risk of accidental payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.